What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's good? I'm Ari and today I'm finally here giving you guys the nursery tour. I know it's been quite some time. I had the baby and I've just been busy enjoying him. You know, this time right now is all about being quarantined and just spending time with those you live with, obviously not going out and socializing and things like that. So we're stuck inside and I figured now would be a great time to show you his room. He's actually sleeping right now, so it's perfect time for me to just kind of briefly show you guys around and show you what his room's all about. You can see that it's dinosaur themed. There's dinosaurs kind of lingering around here. So yeah, I just finally have time. So here's his nursery. We'll start left, right. This side here we have his little library, his Scentsy pot, his little poo pot. So cute. Dinosaur theme in here. This is from his baby shower that we did in Ohio. Those toys were Fletcher's, so that's pretty cool that we're passing them down. These were from his gender reveal. Those are from his cousin. This is one wall. We have his hamper. We have this pillow here for when we do his photo shoot with these little crochet outfits. I'll show you in a sec. More dinosaurs. This is his little reading corner. Obviously we couldn't fit all of them in these shelves, so we added onto that wall. My best friend Emily made this for his baby shower here in Orlando. This shelf just has all his like toys, all his bibs, hats, his crinkle books. These are more like rattler toys, crochet outfits that we plan to do like a little photo shoot session. This is my favorite one. It's a little baby Yoda one with the lightsaber. So cute. And then this little blue one. So I tried to take a picture of him in this one. He was not having it, so we gotta try to figure out how we're gonna do this because he did not like that. This side we just have extra trash bags, his building blocks, all his blankies, and then this wall is like the best wall ever. Fletcher and my dad did it. It came out so good. His crib, again, dinosaurs. We've got things in here. Obviously they're not going to be in here when he's in here, but for now they're in there. All his little toys, fluffy toys. His first book, his piggy bank, but it's a dinosaur. His beach pail that has like sunblock, his little dinosaur toys, and some swimmies in there, armbands, shovel, ready to grab and go for his first beach trip. And then this wall, Fletcher and I put up all these little decals. They are so cute. We had so much fun doing it. But yeah, we love this little window here. Get to read to our baby boy in this lovely chair. The recliner pulls out. It's lovely. Rocks. It's awesome. And then this wall, his You Are So Loved wall, his dresser. We did have his changing table on here, but since he's so little, he's in our room right now, so we just put all his extra baths because he has like 3 of these. Passies, mittens, passy holders, washcloths, owlet, some kicks, nightlight, our little caddy fur in here, and then his sound maker. Gotta put a picture in here. And then all his clothes. These are all his 0 to 3s. All his socks. Not all of them, but shoes. Then these are all his like 3 months, 3 to 6. These are his 6 months, 6 to 9. His 9 months. And then this is anything that's above 9 months, so 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, things like that. Alongside his dresser here, we have this caddy. This caddy just is full of pretty much any essential that we would need: Q-tips, a bunch of wipes, facial wipes, regular wipes, and then all his like bath things that he would need, lotions, things like that. In my bathroom I have his soaps and stuff like that. These are all just like extra. It's all in that cool little caddy. And then this is his closet. He's got a ton of clothes. In our other bedroom we have his larger size clothes, so I believe it's his 9 months and up. Yep. So on this side of the wall here I have all his 0 to 3s that are just easier to grab, and then everything starting from his little pants here over is anything 3 to 6 months. Then we've got some swaddles in here. Size 1 diapers start there and go all the way down. So this entire thing here is completely filled with diapers. Literally. Oh. Filled with diapers. So that's all diapers there. And then up there we have extra bedding. We've got my diaper bag, Fletcher's diaper bag. And these are all his like socks, extra socks. He's got a whole bunch of socks. And then we have like a traveling bag back there for when we travel. And then we've got this cool little number on the door, all his burp cloths. We've got his beach stuff. Look at this little beach hat. I'm done. So cute. These are his sleepy things. We've got this for when he loses his teeth. Look how cute that is. His little extra big socks when he grows into them for that outlet. And then more crochet outfits. So that's the room. And then in our guest room here we have all of his stuff for like his back time. Jasper loves being in here. He has to watch over him whenever he's doing his back time. But I got these cool little puzzle pieces at Ross. They were like 15 bucks. On Amazon they were like 45 or something like that, which I thought was a little ridiculous. But that's from Amazon. Super cute. And then this cool dome thing that we'll end up taking with us like when we go to my mom's house and use the pool, so that he can kind of chill in it. It has like this here number so that no skaters will get him. So I thought that was really cool. And then he's got his little bouncy. And then we have another little, you know, like pack and play type of thing that we'll take to my parents' house whenever we're there, so that we can have that assembled so that he's got lots of space. We got a bunch of diapers, literally all diapers in here, size 1s, 2s, 3s. This whole tote is full. We've got his potty in there. And then all of his size clothes that I said, like 9 months and up, hang-wise, they're in here. But we haven't filled this guy in yet. But yeah, this is what this little area has turned into for him. This little chair right here is the best thing that anyone could have gifted us. Thank you so much. It's super lightweight. It has like the vibration in it, but this is so perfect. He loves this thing. I feed him on this, or I'll like take him with me, like if I'm showering and he's napping, I'll take him in there with this. I'll put this on the couch here. I'll put it on my bed, just anywhere. He loves this chair so much. So I would recommend y'all get in one of these. Little man is napping, but we have his pack and play out here that has our caddy for out here, swing, stroller. So that's his room. I hope you guys like it. I love it. Fletcher loves it. We hope that Miles loves it because this is his room. But this room was so much fun, like putting together, and I don't know, the theme being dinosaur, that was something that Fletcher wanted and I was all about it. So we really hope that Miles enjoys it, because this is our favorite room to be in the house. The dogs love being in here. It's kind of just like, I don't know, it puts us at peace being in this room. And being by this windowsill is nice too. We get to sit here and read with him and just love on him, and I don't know, it's great. Being a mom is great. This whole experience is awesome. I mean, right now is a really tough time because of what's happening around the world, but it makes you very appreciative about, you know, what you have. And I have a lovely little baby boy that I get to love on and hold very closely, so I cherish that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little room tour. If there's anything that you guys want to see, just let me know. But yeah, that's everything that we have in here for him. Oh, I will show you guys kind of what we have going on in our room. Got his bassinet here, wipe warmer, lotion, sanitizer, our little caddy for him. This is where we change him. This is a little sleepy. This down here just has everything that I need: washcloths, burp cloths, towels, medicine, socks, hats, mittens, any extra swaddles or blankies there. And then these are his newborn clothes, which he's finally grown out of. Sound machine. And yeah, that's kind of our little setup we have here. Okay, so this is everything that we have going on for Miles when it's bath time. I use this for now since he's so small. His little buns fit right in there perfectly. We've got the elephant there. All these different options for soap. We got Burt's Bees. Got this baby bum one. Johnson's, the Honest one I just used today. Loved it. Our meal mat. And then these little guys I just hang like his washcloths off of. Well, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video.